Understanding taxes in Jamaica. What y'all need to know. All right, people, let's talk about something we all deal with, but don't always understand. Taxes. Now, before you start tuning out, hold on. This is important. Every time you get paid, buy something at the shop, or even own land, some of that money goes back to the government. But why? Where does it go? And most importantly, how does it affect you? Taxes are what keep Jamaica running. They pay for roads, schools, hospitals, and even the security forces that keep thy peace. But there's more to it than just taking out money from your pocket. There are different types of taxes: income tax, GCT, education tax, and plenty more. Some you pay up front, some are in the price of things, and some even come with benefits you might not know about. In this video series, we're breaking it all down. No complicated talk, no long-winded explanations, just straight facts in a way that makes sense. So stick around, because we're making taxes simple, fun, and easy to understand. Let's get started. Types of taxes in Jamaica. 1. Income tax. Though you make more, you pay more. Tax. Who pays? Anyone earning more than 1.5 million Jamaican dollars per year. All businesses making a profit rates. Individuals. 25% on income between 1.5 million and 6 million Jamaican dollars. 30% on anything above 6 million businesses. 33.33% for regulated companies, banks, insurance, etc. 30% for building societies. 25% for regular businesses. How it helps Jamaica. Pays for schools, hospitals, and national projects. Helps reduce Jamaica's debt funds public sector workers, police, nurses, teachers, etc. 2. General consumption tax, GCT. The buy something, pay something. Tax. What is GCT? A tax added to goods and services when you buy them. Who pays? Every shopper in Jamaica. Businesses collect the tax, but the consumer ultimately pays it. Rates. Standard, 15%. Zero-rated basic food items, no GCT. Exempt. Health and education services, no GCT. How it helps? Jamaica pays government workers and public services, helps build and maintain infrastructure. 3. Education tax. The help schools run. Tax. Who pays? Employees. 2.25%, automatically deducted from salary. Self-employed individuals. 2.25% employers. 3.5%. Special cases. Domestic workers pay just 20 cents per week, and employers match it. Some government entities like UWI don't pay their employers' portion. How it helps Jamaica. Funds schools, teacher salaries, and scholarships. Provides resources for education programs. 4. National Insurance Scheme, NIS. The help when you need it. Tax. Who pays? Employees and employers, 3% each. Self-employed individuals, 6%. What you get: retirement pensions, disability and survivor benefits, maternity and employment injury benefits. 5. National Housing Trust, NHT. The help you own a home. Tax. Who pays? Employees, 2% employers, 3% self-employed individuals, 2%. Why it's useful: provides low-interest home loans, funds affordable housing projects. You can get back your contributions after 7 years. 6. Transfer tax. The sell a property, pay a fee. Tax. What is it? A tax on the sale or transfer of land, houses, or shares. Rate. 2% of the property's market value exemptions. Transfers to charities. Shares traded on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. How it helps Jamaica: raises money for public projects, helps regulate property transactions. 7. Stamp duty. The make it official tax. What is it? A small fee charged on legal documents like land sales, contracts, and agreements. How it helps? Jamaica helps legalize transactions, supports government services, when and how to pay your taxes. Income tax, due March 15th each year. GCT, due by the end of the month after the taxable period. Payroll taxes, education tax, NHT, NIS, due by the 14th of the next month. Transfer tax and stamp duty must be paid within 30 days of the transaction. If you don't pay on time, you'll get hit with penalties and interest. So don't delay. Can you get a tax refund? Yes. Here's how. NHT contributions. You can apply for a refund after 7 years. Expat workers can claim NHT refunds when leaving Jamaica permanently. Income tax refunds. If too much tax was deducted, you can apply for a refund. Final thoughts. So there you have it. A quick run-through of some of the main taxes in Jamaica. Of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and in our next videos, we'll dive much deeper into the specifics of each one. Stay tuned.